Hey guys, Mike here from Pro Forex Live. I just wanted to go through the British pound and US dollar chart, how it's progressing over the last few days. So if we look at the chart here, we can see back around the 31st of August it was pretty well much flat, and then obviously we had a bit of a breakout here and it took off, and we know that of course it's on an upward trend all the way through. And we can see the 100 moving average, the 200 moving average, and the 8 moving average. So all of these are in what we call perfect order. Now these are the daily bars, so we can see here today, Thursday, exactly what happened. It's pretty obvious that a lot of people had stops in here, or just slightly under this, as the market started to take off on Monday, on Tuesday and Wednesday. So people obviously thought then that the market would come down here and go straight back up, which it did. However, this morning it did bounce down here, and I was explaining this to the class this morning as to how, let me draw a line, how the likelihood is that when we start looking for where the stops are, we always ask ourselves that question every day: where are the stops? So the majority of stops would be placed here by the traders who decided to go long, and lo and behold the market came down and took out a lot of these stops here. And then obviously the reverse side of that is that they went long and the market moved up here, as you would probably expect it to do in a very strong upward trend. So today was a big range day. We had a 250 pip move, and it might not be finished yet, the day's not over. And I'll just show you something up here. We're very quickly approaching a very strong resistance line here, which was old support way back a good few, actually a few years back. Let's just have a look, see where that ends up. So yeah, so even all the way back here we can see that this was this line here now we're looking at. This was a major support line all the way here. Of course it was breached all the way here, so it was breached on the downside. So now as it's coming back up to that again, we definitely are interested in this as a point of interest. And as you can see, it's not too far away from us now. Let's just see how far away it is. It's probably all of about maybe 150 pips north of us as we look at it at the moment. So again, pretty much a strong upward trend, and I am expecting to see some change or some stalling if the market should in fact move up to this level over the next few days. So we can see last week it's a pretty even progression all the way up. This week it's an even progression. Some stop hunting here today, as we see, but still it's definitely looks to be on a strong upward trend. I'll just move these bars across a little bit. Yeah, so now we can just see that each of these bars is an early bar. So from this flat piece this morning where there was little or no movement, the market has taken off, and it'll probably consolidate now a bit as we move out of the American close later on this evening. Probably go flat, much like it does every day at the end of the trading session. So we just keep an eye on that for tomorrow as we continue on and monitor the situation on this currency pair. Okay, thanks everybody, and good day.